Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 3.1 question number 5. Following table shows the points of each player scored in 4 games. Player A, B, C, game 1. Player A score 14, in game 2 16, 10 and 10. And player B 0, 8, 6 and 4. And player C 8, 11, did not play and 13. Now answer the following questions. Find the mean to determine age average number of points scored per game. We'll find the question number 1 is, here you see question number 1. We'll find first question number 1. Question number 1 is, what is the question? Find the mean to determine age average number of points scored per game. Now age average number of points. Now is average number of points, average number of points, average number of points per game is equal to total points scored by A in 4 games. Total points scored by A in 4 games divided by total number of games. Number of games. Right? Therefore, if you add all the numbers, all the points, that is 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10, and total number of games played is 4. And if you add all the numbers, that is 14 plus 16, 6 plus 4, 10, 1, 2, 3, 30, 40, 50. 50 by 4. Right? 50 by 4. If we divide this number, that is 2 to the 4, 2, 25. If we divide 25 by 2, we are getting 25 by 2. That is 2 1 is 2. It is 5. 2 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. 0. 2 5 is 10. This we are getting 12.5. We are getting 12.5. That is 12.5. Right? Therefore, average number of points per game is 12.5. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is, to find the mean number of points per game for C, would you divide the total number of points by 3 or 4? You see here in C, here you see the C game played game 1, game 2 and game 3, and game 3 is not played by C. Therefore, to find the mean number of points per game for C, would you divide the total number of points by 3 or 4? We say divide the total number of points by 3. Why? Because he did not play one game. Because the average is total number of points scored by C in 3 games or divided by total number of games, right? Therefore, we should divide the total number of points. Question number 2 is because he didn't play the game number 3, right? Therefore, we should divide the total points. We should we should divide we should divide the total points. We should divide the total points by 3 because he doesn't play the game number 3. Therefore, it should be divided by 3 because player C played only because you can write reason is because player C played only 3 games. Only 3 games, right? Now question number 3. Question number 3 is, what is question number 3? B played in all the 4 games. How would you find the mean? Right? You have to find the mean of player B. Therefore, mean of player B, mean of player B is equal to mean of player B is equal to sum of scores by B, sum of scores by B divided by number of games divided by number of games played by B divided by number of games played by B that we are getting sum of the scores for B is 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4, 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 and divided by 4. 6 plus 4 10 plus 8 18, that is equal to 18 by 4. 18 by 4. If we divide this number, that is 2 to the 4, 2 9s are 18. If we divide 9 by 2, it will come to 4.5. 4.5. Right? Now, next question is, who is the best performer? Right? We have find the mean of A and B, but we haven't find the mean of C. Therefore, we'll find first the mean of C. Right? Now, question number 4 is to compare the mean of all the players. You will find mean of C. Mean of C will be mean of C. Mean of C is equal to sum of scores by C divided by number of games played by C. Right? That is, here you see sum of the scores by C is 8 plus 11 plus 13. That is 8 plus 11 plus 13. And number of games played by C is only 3, not 4. And if we add the numbers, we are getting 3 plus 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 2 carry 1, 1 2 3 32. 32 by 3. Now if we divide 32 by 3, what you are getting, you see, we divide 32 by 3. Here we are dividing 32 by 3. That comes to 3 1 is 3, 2 comes here, now 0, 0, here we put 0 also, point, right, then 0, then 6 3 is 18, 6 3 is 18, continue 2 again, and again here it is 3 6 is 18, point is there, therefore it is 20, 6 3 is 18, it will not be divisible, therefore you can write it as 10.67. Round off to 10.67. That means we are getting here 10.67. Right? Now if we compare all the mean of A is 12.5, the mean of B is 4.5, and mean of C is 10.67. Therefore we can say that the mean of A is greater, it is 12.5, the mean of B is 4.5, and mean of C is 10.67. Therefore, who is the best performer? We can say that the best performer A is the best performer, right? By comparing the mean, answer of 5 is, here we are writing the question of 5, right? On comparing the mean, we found that the A's mean is highest, right? By comparing the mean, we found that that the mean of A, the mean of A is highest, that is 12.5, right, highest. Therefore you can say, therefore you can say that A is the best performer. Therefore you can say that A is the best performer. A is the best performer, right? Here you can compare also, that is A's mean is 12.5, here you see 12.5, B's mean is 4.5, and mean of C is 10.67. Therefore the highest mean is of A, therefore you can say that A is the best performer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.